Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the dictionary in Python. So we should know that first of all there are many data structures in Python. They are called collections. So those collections are four in number. In that we have tuple, set, dictionary, and we have the list. Okay, now let us see about the dictionaries in Python. So now let us see first of all what is a dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. So in the case of tuple, set and list, we have only the values inside the data structure. But in the case of dictionaries, we have the key value pairs. That means we have the attribute and the values. For example, you have the age of a student, we have age and the real age. Age is the name of the variable and then the age of the student. So both will be there in the dictionary. Likewise, all the data types. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable and do not allow duplicates. What does it mean is it is in order and it is changeable. That means we can add, delete or modify the values of the dictionary and do not allow the duplicates. That means we cannot have the same value typed again and again. That is the meaning of allowing the duplicates. Okay. So now dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. So we start with the curly brace and we type the key and the values and close the curly brackets. Let us create and print a dictionary. So now this dict is the name of the dictionary. As we have can give any variable name, we are just given for our convenience. This dict is the variable name of the dictionary. There we have brand is one key and the value is Ford, and then model is the key and Mustang is the value, and then the year is the key and 1964 is the value. Okay, and we are closing the curly brace. Now the dictionary is created. Now the dictionary has three different variables or the values, the keys, the brand, model and year of the car. Okay, so one is numeric, others are string. That means dictionary can have a collection of data. There is no need to have same type of data in the dictionary. We can have same type and also different types of values. And that statement print of this dict will print all the values in the dictionary. So this is how to create and print a dictionary. And let us see, the dictionary length is the function to determine how many items a dictionary has using the len function. How we are using the len for list, same way we can apply the len function to find out the length of the dictionary, which means the number of elements available in the dictionary. Then we have another dictionary items or data types. Here this dictionary can have a collection of any data types. As I just mentioned in the previous example, we have string, int, boolean and list data types. So anything can be inside the dictionary. Dictionary can consist of different collection of variables or data. So let us create an example. This dict is equal to open brace brand Ford, the same thing what you have seen before. Electric is the false. Now here new variable called electric, which has the value false. It is a boolean value, true or false may be the value. And then year is 1964, and then we have colors. So the colors may be red, white and blue. Now color is the list. We can see here the square brackets say it is a list. That means a dictionary can contain also a list of data. So the colors in the list are red, white and blue. Okay, and now we are closing the curly brace. So this is how to create a dictionary with different data types. And then let us see how to access the items from the dictionary. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring it by key name inside the square brackets. Let us see with an example. This dict is equal to open curly brace brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964, and we are closing the dictionary definition. X is equal to this dict of model, or X is equal to this dict dot get of model. So both are equal. Here it's just we are accessing by the index, which is this dict of model. Here what is model? Here model is one key value. So based upon that it will print the answer. Otherwise you can say this dict dot get. So dot get is a function. You will get the values from the dictionary. So, and the variable name is model. Now the output is Mustang. So we can give either this way or that way. This is how to access the items of a dictionary. And how to get the key values. The keys method will return the list of all the keys in the dictionary. Here in the case of the above example, the keys are brand, model and year. Okay, so how to get all the key values? That is done by the get keys. So example, get a list of the keys which is done by x is equal to this dict dot keys of bracket. So dot keys is the function, like how dot get is the function to get the value, same way dot keys is the function or is the method to get all the keys of the dictionary. Now the answer will be, the output is dict keys of brand, model, year. They are all the variable names or the key values. So this is how to access the elements from the dictionary. Let us see how to add elements to the dictionary. Adding an element to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. So let us see how with an example how to add the values. Again the same example, this dict of open brace, brand is equal to Ford, model is equal to Mustang and year is 1964, and we close the brackets, curly brackets. Now we want to add some more attribute which is the key, which is the color. So how to add this? This dict of color is equal to red. That means we are adding one more attribute or one more key called color, and the value is red. Now if you print that this dictionary will contain the value as, the output will be brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964 and color red. So this is how to add new items into the dictionary. Now let us see how to update the dictionary. What is updating the dictionary is, we can add a new entry or a key value pair, modifying an existing entry or deleting an existing entry. So adding a new entry means, as we just before, we can add the new color. That is, color is one entry. We can add it as only the values, or also we can add it as a key value pair. And we can modify means we can change the value inside the dictionary, and we can also remove any values from the dictionary. So how to do this? With an example, let us see. Dict is equal to name Zara, age 7, class first. These are the three key value pairs in the dictionary, a new dictionary, and dict of age is equal to 8. Now this will update the existing entry. Earlier in the given example, age is equal to 7. I wanted to add the age as, means I want to change the age as 8, means just to mention the variable and give the value, dict of age is equal to 8. This is called updating the existing entry. And dict of school is equal to dbs school. Add new entry. This is the example to add the new entry, because there is no school variable inside the dict. Now we wanted to add one more variable called school, which has the value dps school. So for that we are giving, this is the example for adding new entry. That means we are adding one more set of key value pair. And another example is print dict of age is equal to dict age. Now just we are printing the, after adding the age we are printing the dict, means now dict of age is equal to 8. Earlier it was 7, now it is 8. And then print of dict of school means we'll give the dict of the school value, which is added now, which is the dps school. Okay, so now let us see how to delete the dictionary elements. Dictionary elements, and here in the case of this adding elements, where we have two different cases. One is adding a new set of data with the key pair values, and other is only changing the value. So that is the update. Now let us see how to delete the values from the dictionary. We can either remove individual dictionary elements or clear the entire contents of the dictionary. You wanted to remove only one element, we can do it, or we want to remove all the elements, we can also do it by the following methods. Let us see with the example. You can also delete the entire dictionary in a single operation. So the dictionary itself is deleted. Okay, so we can do this by let us see the following example. Dict is equal to name Zara, age 7, class first. This is the example given in the previous slide also. Now we are del dict of name. This will delete the name entry. That means it will remove the name from the key, and now if you print you will get the answer as only age 7 and class first. Okay, and then dict dot clear. If you remove all the entries in the dictionary, it will be an empty dictionary. and then if you give delt of dict means the entire dictionary get deleted. When you see clear means the holder is there but there is no values, but when you del dictionary everything is totally removed. So that is the three different things how we can delete the dictionary. Okay, now let us see with the clear example of deleting with the Python code. Now we can see here the dict is equal to name Zara, age 7, class first. Okay, now if I print dict, now you can see the output parallelly here. Age is equal to age 7, name Zara, class first. Now this is the output we got. After that we are using the function del dict of name, removing the entry with a key name. Now name will be removed. If we now print dictionary, it will contain only age 7 and class first, because name is now removed. Okay, now next what you are doing, dict dot clear, we remove all the elements in the dictionary. That is, if you again print dict, it will give only the empty braces as the value. And now if you again use the Python code del of dict means it will delete the entire dictionary. If you print now, what the answer will be is type dict, because there is nothing in the dictionary, there is no structure, there is no value, only the type is existing, which we can say as is an type as dict. So this simple Python code how delete works in different cases. So that's all. We have the concept of how to create a dictionary and how to add, delete and update the values of the dictionary. Hope it is easy and simple to follow, and thanks for watching.